What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be going to the pick and pull to go grab some things for the 1UZ. Now that car is almost ready to go, but I got a package in the mail today that we're going to be unboxing, and I'll get into that shortly. But like I said, we're going to go to the pick and pull today to pick up some parts for the 1UZ. We're going to be looking for some Sequoia headers because those are supposed to be more low profile and slimmer, so that way they fit in the engine bay a lot easier versus the LS400 headers, or exhaust manifolds I should say. So we're gonna go ahead and look for that. Also, we're gonna go look for an AC compressor because this engine did not come with an AC compressor, and we will be trying to run AC on this car. As you guys know, it is summertime, and this car is gonna be Kristine's street car slash drift car, so she's gonna be, you know, cruising in this thing, and we want her to be able to roll with AC. So we're gonna go ahead and look for an AC compressor as well as some other little things here and there. But yeah, guys, it is summertime and it is hot. There's been a couple heat waves lately, so you know, AC will be nice. So let's just give you guys a quick update. The car is pretty much ready. We're gonna put back everything, all the radiator, condenser, AC lines, all of that. I believe we got all the fuel leaks and stuff that were causing us issues fixed. So now this car can be put back together. We do need to make the custom exhaust and a custom drive shaft, and then this car can be put back together. But let's go ahead and head to the pick and pull while we still got some daylight.
Trying to find the Sequoia first, and we just got to them. Hopefully they have all the parts that we need. Oh, it's not there. Oh man. Thankfully the LS400 still has the engine in it, so we can take at least the parts that we need from this.
So I'm trying to get to this compressor because we're gonna try and run AC inside of the car. So I'm gonna need the end of these lines as well as the compressor, and then we should be able to plug everything in and get the AC working. Kristine is working on getting the, what is that? What are you getting?
I'm trying to get this panel and the bolts for the...
Oh, okay, yeah. And then we're gonna attempt to try and get maybe get the headers off of this car.
I'm going through a phase, and I don't wanna be here. I just wanna be near. I don't wanna be here. I just wanna be near.
These are all the things that we're going to be getting today. We couldn't find the headers, but that's okay. We can try another place later on. But we got the AC compressor and all the AC lines. We got one of these ECUs. We already have one, but we're just gonna get it just in case. And it's always good to have spare parts, so we're gonna keep this. And I just needed all these extra plastic trims that go on top of the engine to make it look a little bit nicer, and this hose, and that's it.
This car is actually really dirty, but we were able to get majority of what we need besides the headers, so that's a good thing. We're gonna try and pull off the headers that are stuck on this car right now, but these aren't really the ones that we want. We want the one that's from a Sequoia or a Tundra. I think it's like from 2001 and up. So that way it fits better. I guess those are more low profile and you don't need to cut them as much or whatever, modify them to get them to fit around the steering column, especially on the driver's side. So it's no use to struggle and take these out if we're gonna not really use these. So we're gonna go ahead and leave these on the car. Like I said, we got majority of what we need other than the headers. We're just gonna probably look for them secondhand, or maybe check one more time at a pick and pull to see if we can find a Sequoia or a Tundra with the motor still in the car. There were 3 Sequoias here and they all didn't have engines. So I'm surprised that this one is still in here. the mission to the pick and pull was partially successful. We were able to get the AC compressor as well as the lines here. So my plan for the AC system is to pretty much use all the OEM stuff that came with the S14, but I'm gonna mate it to the 1UZ compressor. And the way that I'm gonna do that is by retrofitting up some custom AC lines, and hopefully everything is gonna work the way that it should. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be using. We partnered with a company called Maxpeedingrods. You guys should know who they are. We've partnered with them a couple times on this channel. Let me show you guys what they sent me. Alright guys, so let me show you exactly what Maxpeedingrods sent out. This is gonna be the manual hydraulic AC hose crimper set that you can get from them off their website. Alright, so this is exactly what comes in the kit right here. So as you guys can see, it's a handheld manual crimper. Comes with the, I believe these are some hose cutters, and the crimper set itself. You got the big crimper here, and then these little, I want to call them dies, that you use to crimp the AC hose in place. So I actually have AC fitting and some barrier hose laying around, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this out right now for you guys to see. Quick disclaimer, as you guys know, I'm a big do-it-yourself guy. I like to learn new things that will help me with my projects, and this is something that I could put under my belt as well. So this is gonna be my first time making a hose, so if you guys have any tips for me, go ahead and leave them down below. All right, so let's go ahead and figure this thing out. Alright guys, so I went ahead and checked a couple videos, read the instructions, and I believe I am ready to go. So, like I said, I have my fitting here, I have some hose. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the fitting right on the hose like that. Now this one is a size 8. So I'm gonna take the standard size 8 out of the box and throw it in the tool like so. Just like that. Now there are little holes that match up with these just like that. And then I guess we take this, make sure the valve is open on the handle, close this baby down, stick the pin all the way through, and then I guess you spin this handle. You can see this handle will spin till it's hand tight. You close this valve here, and then you just start squeezing the lever. Just like this. So as you guys can see, it is now pinching down on the hose. Okay, so it's super hard to do this now. So I'm gonna assume that's it. We'll loosen the valve. Oh, you saw that? It automatically opens. You pull out this little pin, it'll open up, and look at that, guys. So I'm gonna be using this to make the custom AC lines that I need to go from the chassis to the 1UZ compressor. it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Maxpeedingrods. I want to give them a big shout out for always supporting what we're doing here on the channel. If you guys want to save some money, go ahead and use our discount code Nojiri for 15% off on all purchases on their website. Alright guys, their link will be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace out and stay good.